Howdy, family. This is Timalyn Bowens, America's favorite EA here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to request withholding when you receive government payments. So, if you're not subscribed to this channel, last Sunday I did a video on Social Security benefits and if it is taxable income and if your Social Security benefits are being taxed. And for some people, they are, especially if they have other streams of retirement income, such as a pension, if they still have a W-2 job. So part of their Social Security is being taxed and they need to have some withholding taken from their Social Security. That, or they can make estimated tax payments. So, for those of you that wish to have some taxes withheld from your Social Security, or if you receive unemployment compensation, or if you receive certain crop disaster payments, or dividends and distributions from Alaskan Native corporations, commodity credit corporation loans, then this form and this video are for you. So the W-4V is the voluntary withholding request. So again, this is for certain federal government payments that don't typically have taxes withheld. And I do apologize because today my Adobe is not wanting to be my friend, so I can't actually give you a fictional taxpayer here. But what you're going to want to do is you will fill in your first name, middle initial, last name. Okay, so if this was me, I would have Timalyn S. Bowens, right? And then this is where you want to put your Social Security number. Now, I'm not going to give you my actual Social Security number, but let's just say for you, it's 123 dash 45 dash 6789. Okay. Then here for your home address, you want to make sure that you have the address where you want all of your tax correspondence to go. So for you, if that's a PO box, you are going to put your PO box here, the address, city, state, and zip code, or if it is your home. Now, take this into consideration. If you have moved since you last filed your taxes, you want to put your most up-to-date address, so where you are currently living, so any correspondence will get to the correct address. All right, so you want to put that on line 3. This right here with the claimer identification number. Now, for some people, when we're referring to your Social Security benefits, the claim number is the Social Security number under which a claim is filed or benefits are paid. So, for example, if you are receiving your spouse's Social Security benefits, you would want to make sure that you put their Social Security number because that is going to be the claim number. All right. If it's not you. All right, so just to clarify that. Now, if you are unsure about what number to use, contact the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213. Again, if you're unsure about what to put here in line 4, you want to call the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213. All right. So here, line 5, it says, I want federal income tax withheld from my unemployment compensation at a rate of 10% each payment. If that's the case, you want to check this box here, and then you would sign this, date it, and you would turn it into the unemployment office. Okay. Now, if you're doing this online, that's essentially what they're having you do is check that box and submit it. And if you were doing this for unemployment payments, then you are now done. But if you're doing this for Social Security benefits, you are not going to check this box. You are going to choose between your 4 options. Do you want 7% of your Social Security withheld for taxes, 10%, 12%, or 22%? Now, it's going to depend upon how much income you are actually making from Social Security benefits and your other streams of income. So there's not a blanket answer of how much you should have withheld. If you are not sure how much of your Social Security is taxable, you should go check out my video, Are Social Security Benefits Taxable? Because it will break it down to help you understand if you need to have if 50% of your benefit is taxable, or if 85% of it's taxable, or if none of it's taxable. Okay, so check that video out. There's also an IRS withholding calculator that can help you determine that as well. Because if you were somebody that has a 7% requirement, we don't want you to over withhold at 22% because that's money you could have used during the year. And the reverse is true. If you are somebody that needs to be at 22%, we don't want you to do 7% because then you're going to owe it tax time. All right. Now, once you select that, you can sign, date it, and you will turn this into your local Social Security office. Now, if you already have taxes withheld from Social Security, but you don't need to because you're getting too big of a refund, you can always fill out this form again and check box 7, sign, and date it. The same is true with unemployment. If you were having 10% withheld for each payment, you can fill the form out, check box 7, sign, date, and turn it into the unemployment office. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions at all, please let me know down in the comment section. If you found this helpful, please be sure to like the video, share it with your other retired friends or friends that may be receiving unemployment, and I hope that you also subscribe. Have a wonderful day.